bow before you. The angels sing your praise. The earth declares your glory. You alone are worthy. Before the dawn embraced the morning, before the oceans found their place, you sat upon your holy throne, surrounded by unending grace. The stars obey your whisper, the winds respond to your command, the mountains tremble at your presence, creation rests within your hand. No king can match your greatness. No throne can stand as high. Your kingdom has no ending. Your glory fills the sky. Holy are your ways, faithful are your words. From age to age, your name remains forever. Eze Nsọ, ebube dịrị gị. You are Alpha. Eze Nsọ, you are Omega, beginning. Eze Nsọ, ebube dịrị gị. You are Alpha. Eze Nsọ, hey, you are Alpha. You are Alpha. You are Omega. You are Omega, beginning and the end. Eze Nsọ, forever you shall reign. Forever you shall reign. When my heart was filled with sorrow, you became my song of joy. When my faith was growing weary, your promises gave me hope. You lifted me from the ashes. You clothed me with your grace. Now every breath within my body will magnify your name. Your mercy flows like rivers. Your love is deep and wide. In every season of my life, my song will still remain among the angels before your throne. I will lift my voice and sing, the Holy King, the righteous one, the Ancient of Days. Forever, forever, the Holy King, the Holy King. Oh, the righteous one, the Ancient of Days. Forever. Hey, 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 hey. Before the dawn embraced the morning, before the oceans